What if your sales team, support team, and product team did not work in silos? What if you could manage leads, opportunities, customer success, and projects all inside Jira without switching tools? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to drive revenue inside Jira using Mria CRM, a full-featured CRM built natively on Atlassian Forge. Hi everyone, myself Deepak Rai, and you're watching videos on Rai Gurukul. We used to create different videos on different technologies. So if you're wasting first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe button. And whenever I will upload a new video, if you don't want to miss it, feel free to press bell icon as well. To start with this, let's understand problem statement. Most companies lose revenue not because their product is bad, but because their teams are disconnected. Sales works in HubSpot or Salesforce. Support works in GSM. Product works in Jira software. Customer success lives everywhere and nowhere. Critical informations like customer pain points, product feedback, deal blockers, contract renewals are scattered across tools, and by the time someone brings everything together, customers are already frustrated. Company needs one system where customer management and project executions live together. That is exactly where Mria CRM changes the game. Post installations, you will see the screen appears where in dashboard sections you will see all the open deals, valued, pipeline, deals won, average deal value, lifecycle length, revenue on, and everything is available here. Now, question for you is which tools do your sales, product, and support teams use today? Let me know in comment sections. We'll be happy to hear your tool name. To begin with this, let's understand Maria CRM. It's a full CRM system built directly inside Jira and JSM, not an embedded iframes, not an connector. It's a Forge native CRM that stores data on Atlassian infrastructure with region-based data residency support, meaning secured, compliant, geo external database dependencies. And the best part is your CRM records and Jira issues share the same ecosystem. So your revenue, data, and delivery data finally meet, create and qualify leads, manage deals in Kanban or table view, assign owner, track value, and closing date. Every lead has full interactions, history calls, task, meeting, notes, transitions to, for example, imagine closing a deal and instantly converting into a Jira onboarding project without re-entering any customer data, contacts, and companies. Whenever we wanted to create any new contacts by just navigating into the create contacts, we can add name, email, company, phone number, and title. It will get added successfully here. And whichever contacts we have, we can easily manage it. So building detailed profile of companies, decision makers, including relationship and activity timelines, we can manage here. In terms of companies also, we can create company name and manage their details along with the country, city, linked contact, open deals, and create it on. In real life scenario, if support identifies feature request from an existing customer, product team instantly sees it light to deal context. This feature unblocks a $200K renewal. In terms of product catalog, you can see there's a different product catalogs which contains the data of the product along with the price, category, SKU code, unit type, and create it on. So pre-configured pricing and product catalogs tied directly to deals. No more searching spreadsheets to the send proposal. Jira and JSM integrations, which can be linked CRM, Jira issues, and Jira. Consider I am having this issues. I wanted to connect with my Mria CRMs. I can easily go to here and create any company prospects. We can see it here, contacts and leads. These can be well indicated with each other. Similarly, we can also do it for service management tickets, that is sales, support, and product, which comes to the success. We can see company informations wherever company we want, we can link it. Contacts, any contacts we wanted to link it here, we can also do that. Leads, whichever leads we will target, we can connect. And finally, the deals informations, we will also link it here. All have shared visibility, activities, and notifications. We can track everything like emails, meeting notes, tasks, call logs, everything at one place. Automated notifications keep teammates updated on deal progress and customer needs. Let's talk about the benefit of it. So revenue becomes predictable because CRM does not live outside Jira. Customer don't fall through cracks because all teams shares the same customer story. Sales does not throw deals over the fence. All context flows smoothly to the implementations. Manager gain 360-degree visibility into pipeline, support health and delivery progress. If you want, we can always go ahead and see the Kanban view as well. You can see each and every notifications lying inside this. In terms of setting also, you can set up the global currency settings according to your project requirements. Documentation support is also available. So this is the overall picture about Mria CRM for Jira. Let's understand how we can begin with the installations. To install with this, we have to just go to the app sections under Jira and search for Mria CRM for Jira Teams. From selecting try for free options, you will get 30 days trial for free. After that, you can renew it. This tool is having lot of capabilities where it is cloud fortified in terms of security ethics. It follows bug bounty program, and so far you can see it received good feedback. As of now, this is a high level overview of the tool. If you wanted to actually explore this tool, feel free to refer my next video, which will give you detailed insight about the tool, where we are actually going to create deals, leads, contacts, companies, products, and everything in detail, where you learn each and everything in detail. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to add in the comment sections. We'll be happy to see or hear your feedback about this tool. And if you have anything additional you wanted to know, let me know in comment. Now, if your teams are tired of juggling cells, CRM, Jira, JSM, spreadsheets, and Slack, Mria CRM finally brings everything under one roof. If you want me to record a hands-on setup and automation sessions, comment Mria tutorial below. We'll be happy to create it for you. And if you wanted to try it out, worry not, I've included the URL, applications URL in descriptions. Feel free to click the links added in descriptions, which will be directly navigating you to get it installed and start using it from today to make your deals, leads, and contacts journey smoother. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next video.